Hi guys, for this video, let's unboxing with me. Yes, it's a collaboration with Fermo Glasses. So let's unboxing. I like how the packet is really good. And ta-da! With this hard case, ta-da! Wow, this booklet, and it's come with a cleaning cloth and pouch. And ta-da! Wow, I like it. So I choose the blue light blocking lens. Yes. And Permo glasses, they are very affordable and stylish. The style number for this one and the price I will put here in the screen so you can check out. I choose this color of pink and gold color. Yeah, I like the double color details there. So it's a cat eye style, and let's try on. I like it. It's so clear. Yeah, I think it's perfect size on me. And I like that they have this nose pad here. Check out the link below and use my code for exclusive 50% off on your purchase. Thank you, Permo Glasses. I'm ready for my Zoom class. Bye. Thanks for watching.